Hey guys, this is Soph. I'm just about to go for a drive, so I've set up the map to take me to a location where we're going through some windy roads. So I just wanted to test it on the windy roads. Hopefully it should be pretty fun. I know that there's been a huge improvement on the FSD Beta compared to the previous release software, so we're going to give it a try and see how it does. All right, here we go. Should be able to enable it right away, just like we did before. Perfect. Let's do it. So far it's doing really well going straight. Okay, we're coming up to another stop sign to turn left, and there's a car coming the other way and a pedestrian a little further up. Here we go, we're stopping and turning. Made a very good stop that time, and it didn't cut the corner, so that was perfect. So I haven't actually gone down this road yet on FSD Beta, so this is the first time. So far it's handling it really well. Awesome. It's maintaining a very similar distance on the right hand side. It's staying in a good position, so that's great. Got a little close to the curb there, but still fine. Sorry, I was noticing a rattle. It was just my visor was not locked in. Okay, so here we come up to this T intersection. This is quite a fast, high-speed road on what we're coming up to, so I want to make sure I'm extremely safe with this. Okay, it's looking good. Very good. Awesome. So now we're coming up to the stop sign where we're going to turn right. See how it does. There's a truck coming, so and another vehicle. So let's wait, make sure that it stops here. Perfect. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm not going to do anything. Sweet. Went a little wide there, but still okay. All right. Coming up to this three-way intersection. Well, four-way if you count that driveway there. Pretty good. All right, now we're going on the Canyon Drive. It's such a beautiful area around here. This is one of my favorite drives. You can go the 101 freeway, but you don't get to see beautiful horses and trees everywhere. I mean, there is the ocean, of course, but yeah, it's a beautiful drive here. So far, no disengagements. The car's working perfectly, beautifully. Slowing down for the turn here, the left-hand turn, and it's doing great. You can almost feel the software working, where it's really trying to figure out what to anticipate when we're coming up to intersections or tight turns and things like that. So for example, this turn, let's see how it does when it comes up to it, and it should slow down going around this tight turn, so which it has. Perfect. Very nice. So I haven't touched the pedals at all. I have been putting a little bit of input into the steering wheel so it doesn't nag me to provide input, just anticipating it. Doing great. Slowing down quite far for this. I think it puts the turn signal on. It doesn't have to, but just to ensure, maybe for my my account, to let me know that it's going the correct way. So far so good. Zero disengagements. Slowing down for the turn. Very nice. This is a decreasing radius turn, so let's see how it handles this. Yep, very nice. So far I'm really enjoying this drive. It's been really fun. So now I'm going to change where I want to go because I have put in the directions to get to a partial location to force it to come down this road, but now I'm going to change the directions a little bit to keep it going to the next spot. Take me to Okimomo. It's one of my favorite places around here. And there we go. So now we should just keep going and go on to our destination. I want to test some of the turning across the main road when we get there. So that'll be the next thing we try out. So far it's doing great on these windy roads. This is the future. Very good. Brake quite hard for this. I'm anticipating it. Actually, that was pretty good. Wasn't too hard. Awesome. So I haven't touched any of the pedals or given it any deviations with steering input or anything, just barely touching the wheel so it doesn't nag me. And it's been doing an amazing job. Pretty cool. I mean, some of the lane positioning could be improved a little bit, but otherwise it's really it's just fascinating how far along the software has come. It's so good. This is the boring part of the road, so it's a little straight here for a while, but very scenic. I do love this area. Still got some twisty parts of the roads coming up soon. Yeah, if you notice on the screen, if you guys aren't familiar with Autopilot, but most of you guys watching this video probably are, but the blue steering wheel here means that Autopilot's engaged, which means the full self-driving beta software is running and engaged, and it's doing great. So it just started to sprinkle with rain, and I do have the auto wipers on, so hopefully they turn on. If they don't, I can just manually trigger them with the stalk here on the left-hand side, the turn signal stalk. Beautiful cows over there chilling. All right, I'm gonna just clear this little spray on the windshield. So it did tell me that the windshield wipers are on. I just manually turned the windshield wipers on for just a second, just because it was just a little bit there, but still came back nicely, so that's good. Still no disengagement, which is awesome. Okay, we got some cyclists over there. There's plenty of space for them. It's nice there's a lot of cyclists out tonight, or this evening. So it did slow down for the cyclists a little bit there. Realized they got plenty of space, so kept going. Very nice. So I can see that pickup in front of us. You can see its visualization is way in the distance there. Certainly see it. Oh look, windshield wipers went on their own. Great. So it is working. Looks like there's growing some broccoli over there. It's cool. You can enjoy the broccoli. Or something. Some green, maybe collard greens or something. So far it's been going on Autopilot, full self-driving beta, for over 10 minutes now, with no interventions or disengagements or anything. Pretty amazing. No waving, come on! Yeah, some people, they just don't wave. They don't wave at other Tesla owners. That's fine. Even if I wave with two hands. Next time I'll stick my hands out the window. Green. So I see a flashing yellow light up ahead. Let's see if the car slows down a bit. I know it did earlier on when I took it out earlier. It slowed down for the yellow light. Let's see if it sees it. Be very curious. Well, it's a yellow light for a traffic light, so it slowed down a tiny little bit, but the car in front of me slowed down too, so. Okay, we're going straight, car. Go, 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 go. Okay. I didn't touch it. Didn't do anything. Great. Awesome. Oops. I thought I was pushing the wheel. I was holding it, but it's just got to put a little bit of pressure, or just push the plus sign with the scroll button here. I can push it up a little higher. Okay, it's picking the right lane. That's good. Oh, actually, no, it decided to stay in the left lane. Okay, that's fine. We'll stay in this lane. Okay, I touched the steering wheel for the first time. I just wanted to accelerate it up a little bit, so. Okay, we're gonna go in the right lane. There we go. Cyclist, plenty of space there, perfect. getting a little bit more traffic here, so that's always a good test for it. Let's drop it back to the speed limit. It's just 1 mile over. So that lane kind of shifted a little bit and handled it like a champ. So the car turning across didn't need to slow down, it was far enough away. But now it's deciding to slow down a little bit for some reason. There we're good. So, like I was saying before, 0 disengagement so far. I did step on the accelerator 1 time, just because I wanted to accelerate it a little bit at the traffic lights, but otherwise, no disengagements, no interventions, just a little bit, speeding it up a little bit, that's it. Speed limit should drop down to 40, which it did, which is great. The car will slow down for this guy in front. Likely, oh, it didn't have to. The car accelerated up enough. Okay, we'll see where it's going to turn. Just passing this road here, not this one, this next one here that I'm going to do some tests coming out. This, I'm going to cross over this lane later on, see how we do. So let's see how it does coming through here. It did disengage because it couldn't handle it. So, but I think that did pretty great. We went quite far all the way through. So congratulations, FSD, Tesla, the entire team. You've been amazing.